Hello friends, my name is Gunjan Sharma. I have recently completed my computer science engineering from Chandigarh University, and as everyone know that we have a lot of demand of Python nowadays, so I started searching about the best institutes in Chandigarh. So I came to know about WebtechLearning. So I joined WebtechLearning for Python course. So as we all know that for any language we need practical as well as theoretical knowledge. So it is the best institute I have ever seen for Python. Very friendly environment over there. Each and every doubts were taken care of properly, and if we were having substitute teachers also for any help or any concern. And so I would recommend each one of you for Python that you should come and join WebtechLearning. Thank you.